I'm gonna chase it, and I'm gonna chase it. I know we can't ignore it, no matter how hard we try. And I'm gonna chase it, and I'm gonna chase it. I know we can't ignore it, no matter how hard we try. Fire in the veins, I fight to gain, breaking all the rules to keep me sane. And I'm gonna chase it, and I'm gonna chase it. I know we can't ignore it, no matter how hard we try. And I'm gonna chase it, and I'm gonna chase it. I know we can't ignore it, no matter how hard we try. No matter how hard we try.
That was the Uncrashed FPV Simulator, and I think it's really great for a freestyle simulator. There are a few things that I don't like, but also some things I really do like. First, it was really easy to get my quad to feel like the quad in real life, getting the rates tuned in. As I use actual rates in real life, I had to use a converter to get them into beta flight rates, so it could be dialed in, but once that was done, it was actually really nice. Comparing it to Liftoff 1.4, the experimental branch that I've been trying out for quite a while now, I actually think Uncrashed FPV Simulator is better. It just feels more real and more natural, and with the addition to the more maps and things that's come recently, it's really great. For freestyle, I will be sticking to Uncrashed. It resembles my real life quad a lot more. For racing, I still think you should stick with Velocitron, as it has the real tracks, and it's just, for racing it feels a lot more natural there. Go test out Uncrashed if you haven't already. Get out and get flying, and if you can't, fly in a simulator.